how to do WhatsApp text formatting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll introduce you to various ways to format messages in WhatsApp, including the common methods like bold and italics. To make your text italic, what you need to do is you'll need to go to the number option on the keyboard, and then you'll need to tap underscore and then write your message and then put underscore again, and you can see that it has changed into italic. You just need to hit send and you can see that the underscore is gone and you can just see the hello in italic. Now, to make it bold, you'll need to put on asterisk, write your message, and then asterisk again, and then there you go. There is your bold message. Now, you can also create a strike through effect using the tilde sign. For that, use the tilde and then write your message and then put the tilde again, and then there you go, you have created a strike through. So it's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.